So, hello guys, my name is Mohammad Ashir. I am from Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology from Civil Branch. The subject is structural analysis and the question is for point load 80, 150, 100 kilonewton. We have center to center spacing of 20 meter between consecutive load traverse a girdle of 30 meter. Span from the left to right with 100 kilonewton load leading. Calculate the maximum bending moment and reaction of girdle. This is our diagram. This four force acting on this. This is the 80 kilonewton, 150 kilonewton, 150 kilonewton and 100 kilonewton. The distance between these forces is 20 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter and 2 meter. The length is 30 meter and A is equal to 8 meter and B is equal to 22 meter. So we have calculate the positive maximum shear force. This is the diagram. There is four force acting on the left side. This is y1, y2 and y3. We calculate the value of y1, y2 and y3 with the help of this formula A by L. So we put the formula y is equal to A by L. The value of A and L we put in this formula and we calculate and get this answer 0.26. Similarly, y is equal to 6 by 30. If we calculate and get answer 0.2. Y2 is equal to 4 by 30 is equal to 0.13. Y3 is equal to 2 by 30 is equals to 0.06. We put all the answers and forces value in this 100 multiplied by 0.26 plus 150 multiplied by 0.2 plus 150 multiplied by 0.13 plus 80 multiplied by 0.06 and we get answer is 80.3 kilonewton. Now we put all the forces in right side. This is y1, y2 and y3. Now for negative maximum shear force, y is equal to B by L. This is the formula B by L. We put the value 22 by 30 and we get answer 0.73. Similarly, y is equal to 20 by 30 is equal to 0.67. Y2 is equal to 18 by 30 is equal to, we calculate the answer is 0.6. Y3 is equal to 16 by 30 and we get answer is 0.53. Now we put all the values. 80 multiplied by 0.73 plus 150 multiplied by 0.67 plus 150 multiplied by 0.6 plus 100 multiplied by 0.53 and we get answer is 301.9 kilonewton. Now this is the shear force at 8 meter from left. This is left hand side and this is the right hand side. 80 plus 150 plus 150 by 80. The answer is 47.5. Then RHS is 100 by 22 and the answer is 4.5. Now 80 plus 150 by 8 is equal to 28.75. 150 plus 100 by 22 is equal to 11.36. Now 80 by 8 is equal to 10 and 150 plus 150 plus 80 by 22 is equal to 80. Now we see the RHS is greater than LHS. Then y is equal to A by L, AB by L. 8 multiplied by 22 by 30 is equal to 5.86. Y1 is equal to 5.86 multiplied by 6 upon 8 is equal to 4.39. y2 is equal to 5.86 multiplied by 20 upon 8 is equal to 5.3632. y3 is equal to 5.86 multiplied by 18 by 22 is equal to 4.71. Now we put the value in maximum bending moment form. For maximum bending moment, 80 multiplied by 4.39 plus 150 multiplied by 5.86 plus 150 multiplied by 5.32 plus 100 multiplied by 4.79, and we get final answer is 25.2507.2 kilonewton. Thank you. Now maximum bending moment, we put the value 80 multiplied by 4.39 plus 150 multiplied by 5.86 plus 150 multiplied by 0.5.32 plus 100 multiplied by 4.79, and we get final answer is 2507.2 kilonewton. Thank you.